Here we go again, World Famous Foods. Today we're doing our bacon spinach quiche. So we got some bacon, spinach, onions. We're gonna use 5 eggs, 2 pie crusts, salt, pepper, ground mustard, cayenne pepper of course, more famous, and some olive oil and cheese.
What you got going on here?
So right now we're gonna be frying up the onions and the bacon, cooking the spinach. Okay, so now we can just crack the eggs. Put this in here, along with the milk.
Looks like 4 eggs.
5 eggs.
5 eggs.
5 eggs. A little bit of evaporated milk here, condensed milk, whatever you call it. A little bit of cayenne pepper, of course. This is world famous. You gotta hook it up.
I'm gonna take that spice level up.
Put some ground mustard in there also.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna add all these ingredients together. So here goes the spinach. Oh yeah.
Add the spinach to the eggs. What y'all didn't see, we added a little bit more salt and pepper to the egg.
Bacon.
And a couple more hits of the cayenne pepper.
Probably gonna hit some more. And then we put some cheese in there also, if I can get this open.
Looking good, looking good. So we got some cheddar cheese. So you just put your favorite cheese that you want in there. We got cheddar.
Mix this all up together now. Okay, so now we're filling this up. Since I've got 2 pie crusts, I just do 1 scoop at a time, alternating. So 1 there, 1 here, 1 there, 1 here.
Make sure that everything's even.
Everything is even.
I don't know.
Since we're doing world famous, you should probably just put a little bit of stuff on there again.
Oh yeah.
Almost done with this. Look at that.
Looking good.
You guys can try this. Too easy of a recipe. And now we just put some cheese on the top of these.
Oh yeah.
Again, alternating. First one, then the other. Just like me and my brother.
All right, what we got going on here is we're putting it in the oven, and we're going to put it on 180 Celsius, which is roughly 350 Fahrenheit. Go ahead and put it in the oven. Close it up. How long do you think that'll take there, Mr.
Probably
Nez?
about an hour.
About an hour to cook in the oven. All right, about halfway done. Looking pretty good. What'd you say, Mr. Nez?
Oh yeah, looking good. Alright.
Looking good.
Let's just test it in the toothpick. Oh, I think we might be good.
So what does that mean? If nothing comes out, it's good?
If it comes out nice and dry, that means it's good to go. If it's wet, then it's not done. Let's give it about another 10 minutes.
So as you see here, the quiche is done. And we had to take a piece already and try it out because we hungry. It was good. Right, Mr. Nez?
That's right, world famous.
World Famous Foodz.
Okay, here we go. Quiche, Bert's hot sauce. Messy eating. Oh, that's good. Really good.
World Famous Foodz.
World famous.